In this video we're going to look at some very simple tools to draw shapes, how to change the color of those shapes, add outlines, and maybe we'll go on to doing some kind of cool stuff at the end. Before we start, I just wanted to remind you all that the plus and minus sign on your keyboard lets you zoom in and out of your Inkscape page. And let's get started with a rectangle. I've drawn the rectangle, and what I want to do is change the color. When Inkscape gives you a lot of colors just like that at the bottom of your screen, if you click on any one of them, the shape that you've selected right now will change color. But let's say I wanted to give this shape a really dark outline around the outside. You can see that it's got a light black outline. So what I'm going to do is click on the shape. I'm going to go to the bottom left here where it says fill and stroke, and I'm going to just click there. You'll notice that a new toolbar comes up on the right hand side, and the titles fill and stroke are over here. Now fill is the inside color, that's red, and stroke is just a computer word for outline, or the line outside of a shape. Now if we wanted to switch that line off, we could do that, which is just the X. Now you can see that there's a fill which is red, but there is no stroke because it's been switched off. Let's put it back on by clicking there. Go to the stroke style, and let's just increase that to about 3, and you can see that the outline's quite thick. Now obviously if you put a really big number here like 30, you could see that the outline is really big. So you can control how thick the outline is or how thin the outline is. I'll stick to a 5 over there. One of the most useful things you can use Inkscape for is to type text, which looks so much better than just plain text. So let's go to the text tool, which is this A button over here. Click once and type in some text. If I follow my own rules and go to the black arrow, you can see that now the text has the arrows around it, so I can simply resize. Now if I of course wanted to change my text, I would click on this little T button over here, which brings up a little font window, and what I can do is choose a font which I like better, and I've chosen my font. I'm going to click on apply and then close, and you can see that my text has changed. Let's change the color of the text to green. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see exactly what's going on. And what I want to do now is put an outline around this text. So what I'm going to do is go to the bottom right, just double click, bring up my fill and stroke window, go to my stroke paint. All I need to do is click on the solid color button, adjust this stroke width until it's what I want, which is 2. And there you have it. I've got text which is a lot stronger because I put an outline around it.